This is a really simple Broan, or Broan, I think it's Broan, range hood. You have options here to turn the light on, 2 different levels depending on if you want it low or bright. And then over here you would turn your fan on. You can start out high or go down to a low setting. If you just want it just kind of just barely on, you can do so. You can see how the fan's kind of slowing down and speeding up. You can exhaust these outside, or you can do it ductless, depending on how you set them up. Yeah, basic Broan range hood.